Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's discuss how to get followers on X. So if you want to get followers on X, I have 3 core principles that might help you to get more followers on X. And let's begin with the first one. So you have to optimize your profile, because your profile on X is basically your digital business card, let's call it like this. So you have to use clear profile picture and write clear bio that will tell people who are you, what do you do, and basically what value do you provide. So you have to do that in details, because that way people, when they open your profile, when they visit your profile, they will know exactly what they're getting. So on your profile, press button edit profile, and here if you tap on your profile picture, you can select your new profile picture, and also in the section bio you can change your bio, and do not forget to save it by tapping save button in the top right corner of your screen. Second, you have to focus on quality content. Also, I forgot to add one detail to the first tip, is that if you want, that's very optional thing. If you do not want to do that, that's completely okay. So you can pin your best piece of content, best tweet right at the top of your screen, at the top of your page. So when people open your profile, first of all, they will see your pinned tweet. So in order to pin a tweet, you have to tap the button next to it and select option pin to your profile. Okay, so let's come back to the second tip, is focusing on quality content, because that way you will give people a reason to hit that follow button on your profile. And what I mean here is that instead of posting some random thoughts, you have to share original tips with people, give them unique insights, or you can write helpful or interesting story that will teach people something. Also, do not forget to use images, pictures, and videos, because they grab attention way better than just plain text on your profile. And the third tip that I would recommend you doing is engaging smartly, because on X the fastest way is to get seen is not by posting your own stuff on your profile, but by replying to others. So what you're gonna do is find the big accounts in your niche, and when they post, you have to open the comment section by simply tapping on the post and go into comments, and you have to post your reply. And don't just say something like great post or something like that. You have to add your own perspective. You have to give your own point of view. And some other people, when they see your comment, they might think that your perspective is interesting, and they go to your profile and they might follow your account in this way. So that's also the way how you can grab your audience and get more followers on X. So that were the main points that I hope that they will help you how you can get followers on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.